traders, hi, and this is the weekly backtesting analysis now. So I've been doing the pound US dollar 4-hour time frame. Look, mixed bag results is around 6% return over a few years, 3 years or so. Peak of it was around 10%. So slowly getting that. I still, don't have the best ability to capture those runners. Alright, so we've got it here. So this wasn't a bad little trade, around 2%. Entry here after it broke out of this little bit of consolidation. Yeah, that's straight line. I'm not using a ruler, guys. Yeah, that's straight. That is a straight line right there. Freehand. That wasn't as good. And I got out here. So this one was actually not too bad. And then it retraced heavily. So my problem is I'm a little too quick to take profits still. And that was even evident in my USD yen trade as well, where, I cashed out a bit too early. But I'm going to save this up. This wasn't a bad little trade though. Nothing terrible about this. Okay. I think we've got so we've got 1, 2, 3. We've got 5 more to go through, guys. So a little bit to talk about. Okay, so this was, let's try and grab a trend continue. See, similar, but I just caught the retrace. This might have been a bit of a choppy market as well, and it was just coming out of it. So look at the remnants of some choppy price action. See, that's trending nicely though. So this might have been at all-time highs as well though. So this was the top. I think this was and we will save that. Yes, we shall. I'm going to sip my coffee. Saturday morning. My partner's on the phone. I don't know if that's going to be captured. I have the weekend off as well from work, and I don't think there's any training on. So here it is. Okay, so this wasn't a look. So the problem with this system is that with the open, as you can see, take profit, what will happen is if it doesn't get to at least a 1R, you it encourages a higher win rate. That's what I'm saying. So bounced off that. Nice price action too. Yeah, nothing really wrong with that one. Obviously, I mean, it didn't produce a great runner, but going to be in it to win it. Oh, it's too bad. And there was the entry. Another good piece of price action. This one was pretty good. I'm going to give a smiley face. And I closed this out when it broke through the 20-day moving average. So I was conservative, but also happy with the return there. So, I mean, the peak would have been there, but you never know when it's going to top out, really, until it does. So trade. Look at this. On a run here, Scotty T. Scotty T. Yeah, I caught a nice little bounce again. And closed out. I might closed out a little too conservative. There really, it's got to close, around here, but it was, up there, so not too bad. I had a bit of a winning streak. I had a winning streak and then a few losers in a row, so we might see. Yes. And then we've got one more after this to go over. Alright. So the other trade might have just finished, and I thought I was going to make another run up. Nice little price action. Definitely found some resistance up here. This might have been again at all-time highs. Okay. I probably should brace for more retracement. So when I write all-time highs, it means that this has only been a few years, so it hasn't, it's going trending upwards, and it hasn't actually found a top yet. So it did though, and I think it retraced pretty heavily after this too. And then I try to capture the retracement, and it didn't go as aggressively as I thought it would as well. We'll go orange. Oh, orange. Pretty wide stops. I mean, we're talking 400 odd pips here, so it's not. Helps with the win rate. The win rate's not the best, so it's about 57%. At the peak, it might have been 62 to 67. I don't mind that though. That's not bad price action. It's unlucky really. Save that up, guys. We'll save that up and I'll conclude the video. Next video will be on my stock trading. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great weekend.